Hi, I'm Karen from Karen Yoga Life, and today I'm going to be talking about Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2, which is also a standing pose and a really great pose for strengthening the legs, strengthening the core, opening up the hips a little bit, and opening up the shoulders. So I like poses that do lots of things at the same time. So we're going to start by just bringing the hands to the hips, and you're going to open your legs fairly wide, coming into a straddle position. So both feet are going to be pointing forwards. They're parallel. Bring the hands onto the hips. So how far apart your feet are depend a little bit on how you feel, but a general rule of thumb is that the wrists can be more or less over the ankles. So you can extend your arms and just notice where your ankles are relative to your wrists. But it really depends on how stable you feel in the pose. So if being too wide is unstable for you, then bring the feet in a little bit so that you feel nice and stable. Okay, so from here, you're going to turn the right foot so it faces the short edge of the mat. You're going to then bend that knee, the right knee, so that it's right over the ankle. So you don't want to be bending the knee too far forward of the ankle. You want to have that knee right over the ankle. So if the knee comes too far forward, you want to walk the foot out a little bit, just with your toes, and bend the knee so that the knee is right over the ankle. You also don't want your knee to be falling in. This puts a lot of pressure on the knee, a lot of pressure on the hip. You want the knee to be right centered down the middle of the foot, so between the second and third toes. So knee right in line with the middle of the foot. Then you want to think about your shoulders. Shoulders stay right over the hips. So a lot of people have the tendency of leaning forward in their Warrior 2. But you really want to make sure the hips stay right on top of the shoulders. And then we extend our arms, looking over those front fingers. You're pressing into the outer edge of the back foot to engage those leg muscles, pressing firmly down. Engage the core, pulling the belly button into the spine. Pelvis is neutral, shoulders are relaxed, so they're not up here. Shoulders are nice and relaxed. And here we are in our Warrior 2 strong warrior pose. Always helps to give a little smile. And to come out of it, just straighten that knee, bring the arms down, come back to center, and you can just heel, toe, the feet all the way back together. So you want to make sure you do the pose on both legs, the left and the right, just to keep ourselves balanced and strong on both sides. So that's Warrior 2. Please leave your comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.